Hello student, we will start our chapter My Family. First chapter, class 4th EVS. Fill in the blanks with the name of family members given brackets. Siddharth live with his parents and fill in the blanks father's parents. Father parents means grandparents in Chennai. His fill in the blanks father's brothers live in New Delhi. Father's brother means uncle and his wife and two children Siddharth's uncle's children means cousins and Shubham and Sakshi their mother is Siddharth's fill in the blanks uncle's wife means aunt. In the previous class we learned how our parents, siblings, grandparents, uncles and aunt and cousins are our family member. They love and care for us. We also learned how family can be two different type. Family type is big and small family. Small family other name is nuclear family and big family other name is joint family and the next family is single parents family. There in this family children look only father or mother, not both. All over our family member or relatives may or may not live with us. We have relatives on both our mother's and father's side. Our maternal relative or mother's family includes her parents and siblings. Our father's siblings, parents, and other family members are called paternal relatives. Let us find out more about our family relations. Now, mother's side relatives are called maternal relatives, and father's side relatives are called paternal relatives. Are immediate and extended family. Immediate means those family members live together always, and extended family members, extended family members do not live with us in same house, but they meet on special occasions. Samira and Rajesh are siblings. They live in Delhi with their parents. Their paternal and maternal grandparents visit them occasionally during vacations, means holidays, and special events in a family. Special events means birthday, marriage, other occasions. Their maternal uncle live in Shimla. Samira and Rajesh spend their summer holidays in Shimla at their uncle's house. Samira's paternal aunt and her paternal aunt means father's side relatives and her family live in Delhi as well. She has two children, Samira and Rajesh. Love visit their cousins, children of uncle and aunt, and playing with them. All relatives are our family member, but not all of them are part of our immediate family. Our parents and siblings are part of our immediate family. All other relatives, paternal grandparents, uncle and aunt, and cousins make up our extended family. Our extended family member may or may not live with us in the same house. We get to meet all the extended family member during special occasions like festival, weddings and family get together. Family grow and change over time as new members are added through marriage, adoption and or the birth of babies. Yes, family member number is increase and less when time to time. Increase when new member are added through marriage, adoption and the birth of babies, and number is less when members are move away from home for higher education and work opportunities. Sometimes family members also move away from home as they grow older for higher study or high work opportunities. The family structure change over time in this way. Learning from our family members. What is learn for our family? Our home is our first school. Yes, our home is our first school. School is our second home. We learned our first lesson in life from our family members. Our family member help and guide us through their advice and support. Building value system. We learn to love, care and support. Help each other at home by sharing our work and responsibilities. We also learn to respect and obey our elders. We learn about family traditions, culture, and value at home, respect for other, self discipline, sharing are some of the good manner and value that we learn by observing grow ups in the family. Yes, good manner, not fight with siblings, and do our work with time. We learn to share our problem and troubles with each other. We learn to share our happiness with each other, and we learn to share our badness and our each family has its own traditions that are passed down from one generation to another. Yes, one generation means grandparents to parents, parents to children's. As a matter of fact, some culture practices and values that are passed down from one generation to another in a family become family tradition. Picking a skill. Skill means working ability. Danish's mother baked delicious plum cake. His mother had learned to make cake from her mother. Yes. Grandmother learn make cake and mother learn to Danish. Danish has also started helping his mother to make the batter for cake. Sunaina likes to read story. She even liked to enact two stories to her friends. She learned the art of storytelling from her grandfather. Yes, tradition. One generation to another generation. Danish grandmother know to how to make cake and they teach her daughter Danish mother and Danish mother teach to Danish. And Sunena learned to story art for her grandfather, who amused the children of the locality every Sunday with his story. Being talented. We have learned that children pick up skill from their family member. However, talent may be inherited or inborn too. Heritage means skill come from parents. Inherited skill. We often share certain physical resemblance and common interest with our family members. Physical remembrance means physically look like to our relatives, parents, mother and maternal relatives, paternal relatives. Sometimes children inherited certain qualities from their parents or other family members. Talent for singing, dancing, painting, any kind of sports, etc. may be passed down through generation in a family. Simone's mother is a famous Odissi dancer. Simone has shown interest in the dance form. She is training under her mother. Yes, its tradition is go one generation to another. Simone's mother is a famous dancer and Simone also like dance. Riaz is training to become a football player. His father is also a football player. The father and son do practice football every day. Inborn skill. Talent is not always inherited or learned. Yes, talent is not always inherited, means parents give to children or learn. Some children are born talented. Recognition, training, and encouragement, appreciation of their skill can make them successful people in their own field. Yash played the tabla very well. He was won many awards in school. Now he will represent his school in inter-school music competition. His parents noticed his percussion talent and encouraged and enrolled him in tabla coaching classes. Yash want to become a percussionist when he grows up. Nimisha play table tennis. She has won inter-school and district championship. Her coach and parents are hopeful that someday she will play for India in international match. Yes, Nimisha and yes, parents is not a table tennis player, not is tabla play tabla, but they are children are born talented. Yash are talented, born talented, and Nimisha also born talented. Mind map. Family. Firstly, family is three type: small family, joint family, and single parent family. Small family other name is nuclear family, big families other name is joint family, and single parent family. Family immediate and extended. Immediate live together always, parents and siblings. Extended, they do not live in one house. The family members not live with us, but they come and meet in a special occasion. Grandparents, uncle and aunt, cousins, maternal and paternal. Gain from family, support, love and care, learn values, inherit skill and learn skill. Now let's remember, means summary of this chapter. Our parents and siblings are our immediate family members. Grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins are our extended family members. We learn value, tradition, good habits and behavior from our family members. Skill and knowledge is passed down from one generation to another in a family. Means grandparents to parents, parents to children.